Unless you live under a rock, you must have come across ChatGPT by now. In a mere 6 months, it's become a monumental force to be reckoned with. Amassing over 100 million users, this AI tool has taken the world by storm. But why? If we showed you how to use ChatGPT and it helped transform your life, would that be cool? We think so. But before we do, please hit the subscribe button, guys. How did ChatGPT become so massive? It's a revolutionary and new AI tool that's centered around language prompts. Launched on 30th November 2022, it's the fastest application to reach 100 million users, and did so within just 2 months. Insane. But we're guessing you'll want to know how this is going to up your game. Whether you're a content creator, singer, student, teacher, you're going to want to use ChatGPT to take you next level. Here's how it works. Step 1. Log in. Like any other program, the first step is logging in. Visit the ChatGPT website openai.com. Then sign up and prepare for liftoff. Step 2. Verify your account. After you've successfully signed up, verify your account. You know the drill if you sign up using your email address. A verification email will be sent to you. Follow the link and complete the verification process. Now you can start using ChatGPT. The process is pretty simple. Just type any prompt into the search bar. But if you find typing prompts into ChatGPT challenging, we're here to help. So make sure to watch right through to see how. And seriously, without this info, you're wasting your time. It all starts with a prompt. This is where most people fail. Remember when your grandparents first used Google? Yeah, kind of like that. So if you want ChatGPT to respond, don't start your prompt with a request such as, "Can you?" Instead, be authoritative. Use prompts like generate, create, make, and so on. When starting a chat, GPT prompt with action words, you'll get the answer to your query. Next in line, give context. This is important, even with artificial intelligence. Just like a doctor can't diagnose a patient without having a clear understanding of their symptoms, ChatGPT also needs context. By offering context in your prompt, you can expect to get a customized or tailored answer. Consider role-playing. One of the coolest features of GPT is that it can write from the point of view of a specific person or profession. For instance, you can make it sound like Jack Sparrow, Joe Biden, or Shakespeare. Who wouldn't want to sound like the original bard? Sorry, Google. In addition, you can also tune your ChatGPT to make it write like a teacher, marketer, or journalist, and so on. The possibilities are endless. Role-playing or assuming the identity of another entity is what provides ChatGPT with its unique edge. Next up, use references in your prompt. Using references can also boost your ChatGPT experience. Just consider it as a friend who needs a bit of assistance in providing you the perfect answer, advice, or suggestion. Use double quotes. They play an important role in devising the perfect ChatGPT prompt. How do you emphasize the significance of a word when talking to someone? You could say the words out loud, stretch the pronunciation, or by good old air quotes. Well, ChatGPT is a little like humans in the sense that it understands the importance of double quotes. Using double quotes in ChatGPT prompts can provide amazingly relevant answers to your queries. Be specific. Ever notice how being vague usually doesn't get you anywhere? Well, in the world of AI tools, the same rule applies, and being vague leaves ChatGPT seriously cold. Being specific is the key, and GPT can then provide answers that match your expectations. Tell it exactly what you want. Give examples. Another way to create amazing GPT prompts is by giving examples. This generative AI features excellent answers when examples are mentioned in the prompt. Include the word count in your prompt. ChatGPT doesn't know if you want a short, sharp response or an essay. So to solve the problem, type in the response length you require. For instance, instead of creating a prompt like generate content on Elon Musk, you can tweak the prompt to something along the lines of generate content on Elon Musk in 100 words. Actually, you'll most likely need at least 1,000 for that topic. But being specific will help generate the answer you're looking for. Hand-holding is important. ChatGPT is one of the most advanced and among the very best AI tools out there, but you have to remember that it's not an independent entity yet, and it still requires hand-holding. As we've already said, ChatGPT is a deep learning machine that needs clear instructions. Provide tone. Whatever content you want to create, ChatGPT will need tonality. So make sure your prompts provide tone, so that it understands. This is where AI wins. Ever notice how tone can get you into trouble when used in the wrong way? Well, artificial intelligence doesn't care. So where and how could you use ChatGPT? Whether you want to write a poem for your partner or a cover letter for your next job application, you can use ChatGPT for almost anything. The sky's the limit. Perhaps you might use it for writing a song. You never know. Your AI-generated masterpiece might get you a Grammy. Give it a list of ingredients and ask it to write you a recipe. Ask philosophical questions and see what response you get. Be warned, you could be there all night. Ask it for a holiday packing list for a trip to the beach. Creating the perfect prompt is a serious skill, but follow the steps we've laid out and you'll get there, with a little practice. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting content.